Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone has been supporting investors for more than 55 years. Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone, which enables industrialists to increase their productivity by producing together, was serving on an area of 1 million square meters when it was established, and today it is one of Turkey's largest organized industrial zones, with an area of 34 million square meters. Our private Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone, Vocational and Technical Anatolian High School, established in 2019, has a capacity of 1,560 students. While we make our young people professional in the fields of metal technology, industrial automation technologies, plastic technology, machinery technology, electrical and electronic technologies, it also provides qualified and trained workforce to Eskisehir industry. Great Employment Mobilization, MEGAM Incorporated, in addition to trainings in the fields of quality control and dimensional measurement operatorship, CNC machine operatorship, welding operatorship, and machine maintenance operatorship, assembly and grouping training, which were established within the Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone to create a vocational qualification workforce and train qualified personnel. It provides testing and measurement services to our industry with its laboratory accredited by TÜRKAK. KASGA, Women's Social Development Workshop focused on production and skills. Within the scope of the 2021 Social Development Support Program, SOGEP, carried out by the Ministry of Industry and Technology with the partnership of the Provincial Directorate of Family and Social Services and with the support of BEBCA, we bring women and convicts in disadvantaged groups into social and business life with the Production and Skill-Focused Women's Social Development Workshop we established within MEGAM. ESPEM Incorporated, Examination and Certification Center. Established in 2020, ESPEM, which has TÜRKAK and MYK accreditation, has been serving the Eskisehir industry since January 2021. The scope of ESPEM, which serves in 12 vocational qualifications and 24 certification units in 4 main sectors, is constantly being developed. Imagine a center where academics and industrialists meet and work together. ATAP Incorporated, Eskisehir Technology Development Zone, operates with 9 technopark buildings in a total of 4 university campuses, with 140 companies and over 1,000 employees contributing to Eskisehir's high-tech industrial production. Efforts are being made to produce R&D-focused products with high export potential. ETIM, Eskisehir Design and Innovation Center, ETIM, which received a project support of approximately 4 million euros from the Ministry of Industry and Technology and the EU delegation to Turkey, and was established in an area of 1,100 square meters, produces advanced technological solutions to the current design-related problems of the rail systems, aviation, ceramics, white goods, automotive, machinery, metal sectors, thanks to its 3D metal printers and 3D plastic printers. LifePark, Organized Industrial Zone, is implementing a very important complex. The 150,000 square meter Life Center, which is the largest social life park in OIZs, will be a new life center not only for our organized industrial zone, but also for our city. OIZ First Development Zone, the Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone, which is constantly growing and developing, continues to bring new investments to Eskisehir and Turkey's production with its first development zone, consisting of 4.8 million square meters in total. The zone, which also provides gas supply from the TANAP natural gas line, has a highly developed electricity and fiber optic internet infrastructure. First SME OIZ. In 2005, a 450,000 square meter area was created for our SMEs. This area, where 98 SME-scale companies operate, is the first of its kind in Turkey. Second SME OIZ, Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone has implemented the second SME OIZ in the first development zone in Eskisehir. This zone hosts 142 companies with an area of 566,000 square meters. Second development zone, Kalkanlı. This zone is located in the Kalkanlı region just opposite our first development zone, Eskişehir. Its total area is 5 million square meters. Rail Systems OIZ area, Hasanbey. Our area located to the south of Hasanbey Logistics Center is 560,000 square meters. Hasanbey Expansion Area, located parallel to the railway between Ankara and Eskişehir and in the northern part of Hasanbey Logistics Center, the total area of our site is 1.9 million square meters. OIZ Expansion Area. As a result of our efforts to meet the rapidly increasing investor demand, this 2.5 million square meter area adjacent to our existing OIZ area will soon be allocated to investors. Disabled Assembly Workshop, which was opened in 2019 in cooperation with Tepebasi Municipality and Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone with the slogan, "No obstacles for those who produce," is the first and only of its kind in Turkey. In the Disabled Assembly Workshop, our young people who assemble parts from industrial organizations are brought into the workforce and social life. SOSNet, Informatics Incorporated, Internet and IT Center, the first internet service provider licensed by the Telecommunications Authority of Eskişehir, established by Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone, offers professional and economical internet solutions based on the latest technology at very high and parallel speed with its fiber optic infrastructure in all industrial enterprises. The first wireless communication network in Turkey, its field with the technology infrastructure used. The center, which was established within the scope of the Digital Transformation Platform project carried out by Eskisehir OIZ and also supported by BEBCA, within the scope of the 2021 Innovation and Productivity Financial Support Program, became operational in 2023. With the system, which is used for the first time in Turkey, the consumption of industrial enterprises can be monitored instantly, and it also contributes to the digital transformation process of industrial enterprises with its wireless communication network. The most environmental friendly OIZ, Esart Incorporated Treatment Plant. The total capacity of the treatment plant, which collects domestic and industrial wastewater from all enterprises, has reached 36,000 cubic meters. In waste sludge facilities, wastes are dried to 90% dryness and turned into alternative fuel. In addition, the environmental laboratory with Turkak accreditation serves our industry. Solar power plants. In order to set an example to our industrialists for green energy, Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone has established solar power plants with a power of 2 megawatts. Eskisehir OIZ is becoming equipped with charging stations. Our region, which is an example for many OIZs in Turkey, with what it has done in the field of renewable energy, has started to establish charging stations within Eskisehir Industrial Energy to encourage the use of electric vehicles, which are environmentally friendly, and to serve those who use electric vehicles. Logistics Center, an area of 70,000 square meters, is reserved as the Logistics Center. Logistics companies providing services for the transportation of raw materials and finished goods of the companies operating in the OIZ are located in the center. Business Center, built on an 80,000 square meter area, the Business and Trade Center has a significant commercial potential. In this center, banks, customs brokers, consultancy firms, commercial offices are located together. Strong infrastructure, strong organization. Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone offers investors an industrial area with all kinds of infrastructure ready for investors with ambulance and fire brigade services, maintenance teams that immediately intervene in malfunctions 24/7. Customs and warehouses. The customs zone and warehouses, which were established to enable companies to open up to international markets, stand by our industrialists with the consultancy, storage, and customs clearance services they provide in the fields of import and export. Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone, which makes significant contributions to the scientific and technological development of Eskisehir industry, trains qualified workforce, and offers social opportunities within the industrial zone, shines like a star as an exemplary industrial area of our country that respects the environment and has renewable energy resources.
Eskisehir Organized Industrial Zone. Strong organization, strong industry.